This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
Did you know that mice are saving us? Probably not. I'm Marlie.
And I'm Hagan. Our project is about animal biology to help humans on the ISS at this very moment.
Right now, the ISS is carrying mice that are helping us test new drugs to cure osteoporosis and other diseases that we still need to find cures for.
Mice test a variety of different medicines to cure diseases on Earth.
One drug that mice test can bring back lost bone due to osteoporosis and make bones stronger.
This drug pretty much reverses bone density loss. It will help astronauts stay in space for long periods of time to do more of the studies such as the one that they're doing right now. Also probably wondering why mostly mice and rats are chosen to go up into space instead of other animals as commonly.
The answer is because mice or rats are inexpensive and come in larger quantities.
Mice and rats are also very lightweight and aren't as big as other animals such as tigers or elephants. Since mice probably are not willing to just take the medicine by themselves,
Astronauts have to inject the medicine through a shot every 2 weeks.
they will check their bones very frequently to see if it helped them keep their bones strong in space.
We hope you enjoyed our wonderful presentation about animal biology in space.
And I hope you learned some new things about what's happening on the ISS.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
One more time.